Hey there, olive oil fans. You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best olive oils for 2021. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these olive oils, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. Alright, olive oil fans, so the first olive oil that we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the Mantova Flavored Extra Virgin Olive Oil Variety Pack. The next olive oil that we've got for you guys today, coming in at our number 4 spot, we've got the Olive & Company Everyday Extra Virgin Olive Oil. The next olive oil we've got for you guys today, coming in at our number 3 spot, we've got the Tourangelle Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Next up at our number 2 spot, we've got Ellora Farms Extra Virgin Olive Oil. And last but not least, at number 1 on our list, we've got the California Olive Ranch Everyday Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Alright, olive oil fans, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comments section which olive oil you think you would like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in. Or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos that are just like this one.